Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back. With Valentine's Day approaching, the next few weeks of this series will showcase a variety of glam makeup looks. Today we're creating a smoky soft glam eye featuring dusky pink, cool brown and black tones. Stay tuned until the end to see more shots of the finished look. I've completed one eye to show you how it will look, so let's get started on the other one. To begin, I'll use a light cream shade from this Bobbi Brown palette, applying it under the brow with this brush. Next, I'll use a light dusky pink shade with an eyeshadow brush, buffing it under the cream shadow to create a rounded edge at the outer corner. Then I'll take a light cool brown shade from my custom MAC palette with a different brush, applying it in the same buffing motion under the pink and continuing along the lower lash line. Next, I'll pick up a darker cool brown shade with another brush and blend it into the crease using a swiping motion, buffing it out into the outer corner and extending it along the lower lash line. Using a short brush, I'll apply black eyeshadow along the lower and upper lash lines to add depth, then gently buff it out to soften the line, ensuring the outer corner has a blown out effect. I'll then use a clean slim brush to further pull and soften the black shadow at the outer corner, adding a bit more shadow to enhance the blend. Now going back to the brush with the dusky pink, I'll sweep the shade across the lid. Next, I'll apply a light shimmer to the lid and inner corner with a flat brush, layering a light pink shimmer over the top for added dimension. I'll also apply the dusky pink under the lower lash line to blend with the brown transition, softening the overall look. To finish the eyes, I'll apply black eyeliner to the waterline, followed by mascara and false lashes. For the cheeks, I'll mix two blush shades and apply them along the cheekbones with this brush. I'll then use the same tan blush to softly contour under the cheeks and along the temples. I'll now finish the look by lining my lips with Bobbi Brown's Ballet Pink Lip Liner and applying MAC's Love You Back lipstick. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, show some love by giving that like button a hug and subscribing to my channel. Sharing is caring, so feel free to spread the word to anyone who might enjoy these tutorials or want to collaborate. Follow me on Instagram for more looks and reels and drop me a DM if you have any questions. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.